Okay, hi everyone. In this video, we are going to look at the definition of anonymous functions and function handles. Normally, if you go to the trouble of creating a function, you will want to store it for use in other programming projects. MATLAB has the simpler kind of function called an anonymous function, which is actually a user-defined function that is defined without creating a separate function line. The, the anonymous function is not stored in a program file, but it is associated with a variable whose data type is function handle. Just like functions, anonymous function can accept multiple inputs but only return one output and can contain only one single executable statement. So to define anonymous function, we do it inside a script and file or in the command window. Remember that to use anonymous function, we do not have to create it in a separate function file. Or you can also define anonymous function inside a regular user-defined function, and they will only available while they are stored in the workspace window, much like variables. So here is the basic syntax for an anonymous function. So first we write the function name followed by this assignment symbol, and we have this alias symbol. This is actually the function handle. Following this alias symbol is the variable name insert between the parentheses, and then this is the executable statement or the calculation or equation, which is the MATLAB expression. Okay, first let's clear our workspace and also command window. And then we define. Now we would like to define a function for a natural log called lond. Okay, so type inside a command window ln followed by the equal sign, and then this alias symbol, and then inside the parenthesis is the input variable, which is x, followed by the expression, which is log x. The alias symbol will alert MATLAB that lon here is a function. Okay, so the function input here is what variable name entered inside the parenthesis. Okay, so this is done. Okay, this is how the anonymous function is defined. So when you hit enter, notice that the function handles are represented with the box symbol here in the workspace window. So observe your workspace window. You can see this function handle lon represented by the box symbol here. Okay, so the name is the function is called a function handle. In this example, the function handle is ln, lon. You may think of the function handle as like a nickname for the function. So you can use the anonymous functions just like any other function. So you just call the function name or function handle, okay, and then enter the input variable value inside the parentheses, and then you can hit enter. The disadvantage is, however, once the workspace is clear, okay, once we clear our workspace, the anonymous function is no longer exists. So you can save your anonymous function just like you are saving the variable. Okay, it could be saved as .mat files, and then you can restore it with the load command. For example, we can save our previously defined anonymous function. Okay, let's define it again. Lon equals sign alias open bracket x and then a log x. Okay, and then you can save it. You can save it by typing save my underscore lon underscore function. This is the saving name of the anonymous function, the anonymous function name that we use to save the function .mat. Okay, now you can see that a file name my underscore lon underscore function is created inside this current folder here. Okay, so let's try clear our workspace and a command window, and then let's try reloaded the .mat file. Okay, to load it we just type load followed by the function name. Without the extension, the .mat. Okay, so you can see that the anonymous, okay, the function handle is available on workspace, and then you can use it just like you would use any functions. It is possible to assign a function handles to any user-defined functions, okay, including those functions that are stored inside the M files. So if an M file called distance is stored in the current directory, then we can assign a function handle to that user-defined function. Okay, so here is our function distance, and then this is the function handle. Okay, so we just assign a function handle to the distance function. We do this because the anonymous function and the related function handles are useful in functions that require other function as input. So functions are actually function that require other function as input. Okay, so we'll look at that in the next video.